Man, that's a pretty sky.
Yeah. Look at that.
You had it.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Told that fool not to go flying in the rain.
Use some hat umbrellas.
He's giving it a little bit of throttle to keep it coming because it's on the verge of gone. Yeah, dang show off. But see how it's still coming down?
Yep.
That's a perfect sink rate when it does that. Oh, woo! So he's catching that drift, keep it on the center line, aim small, miss small kind of thing.
Right.
Is it bumpy up there, Mike? Yeah, he's got some rough air kind of bouncing him up and down now. So he traded all that altitude for speed, and he's bleeding it off here. The wind's not letting him, but he's still correcting with very small. Yep, he's just fighting everything it does. No! This one's going to be interesting. Keep some power, Mike. Little left. There you go. Oh, the wind's going to just stop on him now. Perfect. Woo! There you go. Perfect. Got to bring it left. Now left. Don't let that wing dip down on the. Keep left in it. Left, 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 left. There you go. Perfect. That's the center of the runway. Keep it slow, and keep that left wing down. There you go. Just keep riding it. You'll make it. Keep that left wing buried a little bit. There you go. What? Now don't let that right wing drop like that. Need a little bit of power. Come left. There you go. More power. Just a hair. That'll work.
Your prop makes a more aggressive noise.
Yeah.
Okay.
And chop your power. Come more to the left.
exactly like one.
Loop into a snap roll. Chop your power. That's a good turn. That's good. And don't dive it too much, just let it go slow. If you keep it slow, pull that nose up. Don't lose it all at once, it'll get too fast. Just ride it right there. It'll make the field. There you go.
Either too far out or too close.
Better a little too close than too far.
Yeah.
Chop it. And don't let it dive all at once. That's a good right there. Just ride that. Pick the nose up some. There you go. Perfect.